Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ginseng oil at home. This easy method allows you to create your own beneficial oil with just a few simple steps. First, we'll gather our ingredients, including dried ginseng root and a carrier oil. Then, we'll prepare the ginseng and combine it with the oil in a clean jar. Finally, we'll gently infuse the mixture to extract all the wonderful properties of ginseng. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need about 1 ounce of dried ginseng root. For your carrier oil, select a high-quality option such as jojoba, sweet almond, or extra virgin olive oil. You'll need about 1 cup. Make sure your glass jar is thoroughly sterilized and completely dry to prevent any contamination. Carefully slice the ginseng root into thin, uniform pieces. This increases the surface area, allowing for a more effective and potent infusion of its beneficial compounds into your chosen oil. Now, let's infuse our oil. Place your jar containing the ginseng and oil into a double boiler or a slow cooker set to a low heat. It's crucial to maintain a gentle temperature, ideally between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the oil to infuse for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 8 hours for a stronger extract. Remember to stir the mixture occasionally to ensure even heat distribution and optimal extraction. Once your ginseng oil has finished infusing, allow it to cool completely to room temperature. Next, carefully strain the oil using a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth to remove all the ginseng pieces. This ensures a clear, pure oil. Pour your beautiful, finished ginseng oil into a dark glass bottle to protect it from light degradation. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it will remain potent and fresh for up to 6 months, ready for your use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.